Let's log in and go to the job fair page on Corporate Gray Online so I can show you a few things you can do now to prepare for attending a Corporate Gray job fair. This will help make the conversations you'll have with recruiters during the event as effective and successful as possible. When you first log into Corporate Gray, it takes you to your dashboard page where you'll see the list of upcoming job fairs that you're registered for. And just click the View Job Fair link next to the upcoming job fair, and that will take you to the job fair page. This job fair page has a lot of information about the attending employers. So scroll down to the chart and you'll see that for each company, the name is a link to take you to their profile page where you'll see their company description and their website and learn a little bit more about the company. There's also a link for each company to help you search the company's jobs. And we encourage you to search the company jobs and apply in advance of the event. This research will help prepare you to talk with the recruiters about the positions that you're interested in and why your skills and experience are a match for their company's needs. So you can click on any of these jobs posted links. Let's click on Leidos, for example, and it will run a job search on that company. So there is returned the 4,000 jobs that are posted for Leidos. Of course, that's way too many jobs for me to page through. So you want to use these filters on the right side of the screen to help you really winnow down to the jobs that are most relevant to you and that you would be interested in. So you can use the keyword search to put in some search terms like program manager. Since that's a string of 2 words, I put it in quotes. You can also use and or to search on multiple keywords. So I could do program manager and let's say logistics. And that's going to find all the jobs that have both program manager and logistics in either the job title or the description. I could also use or if I wanted to broaden my search and find the jobs that have program manager or logistics in them. If you use and or to connect search terms, make sure that it's all in capital letters. So let's search for program manager and logistics. And there are more search filters that you can use. I could search by occupation. You can see here, because I clicked on the Leidos link, it went ahead and filled in search by company name for me. So it's just searching the Leidos positions. I can also search by state, and I could search on multiple states by clicking on one and then holding the control key down to click on another. Like if I want to search for District of Columbia and Virginia, I hold the control key down to select the Virginia. And then I can click the search, and it's going to narrow my search now to 14 jobs, which is a much more manageable number of jobs for me to view. And I can scroll down and see a little bit about the job. I can click on the job title or the view button. Either one will take me to view the full job description. So you can scroll down and learn more about the job. I can also click apply for this job. If I click that button, it takes me away from Corporate Gray and over to this company's job board, to this specific job, so that I can apply to the job through that company's system. If this is a job that looks interesting to me and I look qualified for, I would definitely click apply for this job and go ahead and apply to it. I would also take notes on what job exactly I applied to. That includes the job title, the requisition number, the location, and I'd keep all these notes so that when I do talk with the recruiter during the job fair, I'm prepared to tell them exactly what job their company has that I've already applied to and why my skills are a match for that job. If I'm not ready to be applying to jobs yet, I still want to do this job search and find these jobs and take good notes so that at the job fair, I'm prepared to tell the recruiter, I haven't applied to the job yet, but these are the jobs that I found on your job board that I'm a great match for. Now, to start the job search over from scratch, I can click on Find Jobs in the menu bar, and it's going to take me over to the job search and clear all the fields for me. And I can put in those same search terms, program manager and logistics. This time, rather than searching by company name, I can click this box here, search by companies attending next job fair, and that's going to search the jobs of just the companies that will be attending the next event. So let me click search here. And it shows me that it's not only Leidos that has jobs I might be interested in, but if I scroll down, I can see that SAIC comes up, a job from Raytheon. So there are more companies that are coming to the event that I would be interested in. So this is great information for me to know which booths I'm interested in visiting during the job fair. And when I do talk with those recruiters, I'm prepared to tell them exactly what their company needs and how I'm a match for those needs. Let's go back to the job fair chart. Because it's the upcoming event, I could just go to the home page and click here to go back to that job fair. Or I could click on the job fair's chart and find that job fair in the chart and click on the type, and it will take me back to that job fair page. Also included in the attending employers chart, we have a LinkedIn network button. This is so that you can see who you're connected to on LinkedIn at each of these companies. When you click the link, it will open LinkedIn and run a people search to show you who in your network works at that company. Reach out to those connections to help you with your company research. Tell them you're interested in working at their company. Ask them about their culture. How do they like working there? Do they have any advice for you for landing a job there? Reaching out to these employees will put you on their radar, and they might know about jobs that haven't been posted that might be a good fit for you. Employees at the company you're interested in working for can be a great resource for your job search. This list of attending employers on the job fair page of Corporate Gray Online is an excellent place to start your company research in preparing for the next Corporate Gray job fair.